Hey, this is Steven over at Vic Bailey Subaru, and I'm going to make a quick tutorial on how to use your Subaru's adaptive cruise control. So what I'm going to do is flip the screen here. Alright, so with the new systems, we are currently in a 2021 Ascent Limited. Now, with the current generation that offer this, they are pretty much all the same, and you're going to have these buttons here on the steering wheel. So what we're going to do to turn on your cruise control is hit this button here. And when I hit that, and I'll turn it off and on again so you can see, you're actually going to see that on the display there. So you can see your little car. And then also, for the systems that are, or the vehicles I should say, that have the upgraded color multi-information display, this is what you're going to see at the top of the dash. So now that we've turned it on, what we're going to do is set our cruise. By using the toggle in the middle, you'll see it says set on the bottom. You're simply going to push set, and that's going to set your speed. You'll see a plus and a minus, so you can speed up and slow down with the toggle as well. Because the vehicle can adapt to speed, it can also adapt distance. So right here, you've got an up and a down button. Those are your distance control. And if I push up or down, if you look on the display here, you're going to see the bars changing. So this is controlling the distance from the vehicle in front of you up to 4 bars. Now here on the steering wheel, there is one other button here. You're going to see a little steering wheel icon. This is Subaru's lane centering. So what this does, if we hit this button here, you'll see the steering wheel icon come on the right, and then the 2 lines. Now those 2 lines that came on the left and right side are prepared to show you when the cameras can see the lines in the road. And so once it can see the lines in the road, those lines are going to illuminate even brighter. So it's going to let you know that the cameras are aware of the lines in the road. And with lane centering, once the cameras can see the lines with their hands on the steering wheel, it's actually going to steer itself in lane. Very neat feature. Of course, if you're in a situation where you go through, say, a heavy bend, or the lines in the road are not too visible to your eye, the camera is also going to have issues seeing that, and it will disable the system. So you will see that on the display here. But you do have the ability for semi-autonomous driving with that steering wheel button. Just make sure that your hands are on the steering wheel and the cameras are able to see the lines in the road. Now, this feature is not going to change lanes for you. It's simply to help aid in long driving in a straight line. For those who are a little more traditional, I'm actually going to turn this off here, and want just regular cruise control. They don't want it to adapt. They don't want to keep the distance. The distance buttons you can push and hold. It doesn't matter which one. And when I do that, you now have traditional cruise control. And to turn it back on, you can use the up or the down. And that turns it back to the adaptive cruise control. They're pretty neat, very simple. One thing I like to tell my customers is once you've turned it on and set it, it's truly doing everything for you. It's not a complicated system. All you're going to do is turn it on, use it, and it's going to use the cameras to monitor everything going on in front of the vehicle. This is not automatic driving. Still pay attention to the road, keep your hands on the steering wheel, be aware of your surroundings. But if you have any questions, you can contact us here at Vic Bailey Subaru at www.vicbaileysubaru.com. You can call us at 864-582-1200 or visit us at 400 East Daniel Morgan Avenue in Spartanburg, South Carolina.